So guys, I troubleshooted the problem, and the problem was my YouTube channel actually. Here, let me explain about my YouTube channel. Actually, what happened? I have two accounts with the YouTube channel with the same name actually. Here you can see this is the latest one and this one was old, and I was never able to access this one. But today, only while working on this project, I got to set up the password and everything, and today I was able to access this. So remember, this API is I had created with this account, right? So I have given access to this email ID only, not the my primary Gmail account, which is gbpvenus@gmail.com. So now what is happening? It was looking here for the live videos, right? But here I don't have any live scheduled. Here you can see there is no live schedule. It is very old one, right? 2018, so very old one. No live is scheduled. If you remember, I scheduled the live here in the new channel, right? This one. So here it was actually the live was here only, scheduled content here on the live. So if you remember, this I scheduled, and what is happening is it is going to this account, and there was no live, no content was there, so it was causing a problem. I checked into these logs actually, I saw, and then then I come to know, like, this is because of my second account, right? So these are the logs. You can see the logs here in the Google Cloud console. Now what I did is I write a new one. If you remember, this was the old one. Here simply we were using something, where it is, this one, right? The list and mine, it was giving error, so I changed everything. I left for now live broadcast. I didn't capture the live broadcast. Now I went for the fish schedule YouTube upload. So the uploaded videos which are uploaded on the channel, I want for that. So now I want I want to read the contents of these ones. So first, what I tried to get the public public contents. Here you can see some are private, some are maximum are private, right? But yeah, if you can see what some of them are public also, like this one is public, this one is public. So some of them are, these are public. So I want these public to be captured, right? So what I did, simply what I did is, there is a basically a new builder. We simply just we had created YouTube builder. Similarly, we create here. Everything is same if you see, just step by step. So here, YouTube Nukkadcode YouTube sync. This is the app name. Let me show you if you forgot. This is the app name here. Nukkadcode YouTube sync, right? And then we are getting the channel, and then upload playlist IDs, and then we are getting from playlist all the videos, playlist response. Then from all the videos we are getting video IDs, right? And now when we are getting video IDs, we can get the video details. So here you can see we are fetching the video details on the basis of list dot of snippet and status, and then we are setting the video IDs, and then we executing. And after that, simple logger here. I have not used logger, but yeah, I can use logger. And then here, just iterating through all the values, all the video IDs which we got in this video response. So here you can see video response, yes. So video response dot get items dot for each video. What we are doing, we are checking if private dot equals this, and this one. Since let me go first for the public one, because I want public one. These are easily available. So first I will show you with the public ones, and then when video is processed, so the videos which are public and processed, like these are the processed videos, right? So I want this title and their published at time. So what we are doing, video dot get snippet dot get title and video dot get snippet dot get published at. So let me run it. It's name. So here you can say authentication is successful, and yeah, you can see all these scheduled videos, this logo, and then the title. We are entering into a block, and then title, and then publish it. So title is Nukkadcode and publish at this. So let me show this one by one. You can understand here actually. Let me go to the channel only. Now let's go to videos. So what is happening, it is picking from here. Okay, it is picking from here only. So here you can see it is picking first Nukkadcode, then this, then this, then this. So the first video which we got is the title is Nukkadcode, which you can see it is here, Nukkadcode. And then second one is interface in Java introduction. Here you can see interface in Java introduction, and published on 4/10/2018. 4/10/10 is September, right? 4th of September. This one. You cannot see it here. Let me open the dashboard for the publication. If you can see here, look at this one. 5 October actually, not 4th. It is showing 5. So sometimes time mistake maybe. Interface in Java, then abstraction. You can see September 28. Right, introduction, abstraction in Java. This is one. Okay, introduction and published at this one, and then 27/9/2018. 27/9/2000. It is showing one date less actually. What is, I think it is not showing correct. One day less. Let's see data hiding in Java. 21/9/2018. 29/21/9. It is correct. Data hiding, and then encapsulation in Java introduction. Encapsulation in Java. This video. This is probably September 14. Published September. So yeah, somewhere I think after 12 o'clock maybe that is the reason data skipping or data minus. Otherwise, most of them are we are successfully getting. So let me show you in debug mode also, so that you can see other values. Let me run it in debug mode. Awesome. So here we are on the console is empty till now, authentication successful, and then we are going to get this line schedule videos. Cool. Now let's come to threaded videos and see what are there. So here you can see we have video response here, right, with the values, 4 values are here. So here also you can, in the bottom you can see we tag items kind. So video response is here only, page infos are there, kind are there. In the debug mode you can see everything, items are there, 41 items are there. So basically 41 items with different values. You can see descriptions are there, like which let me open it just like as a proper readable one. Yeah, so here you can see the first video says the description is this one. So let's see the description. You can also check it. The first video description is here, this video, right? This video description. So this video description is here, you can see. This is Nukkadcode, visit us here, visit us here, Nukkadcode channel, and this is this.com. Nukkadcode is educational channel for this one. Similarly, you can see entire description, it is picked, and in the end Nukkadcode Java channel, Nukkadcode in the break parenthesis, right? So let's see that also. Here you can see, and then these characters. So yeah, it is perfectly picking the first one. Let's see for the second. It's loading actually. Yeah, so for second you can see the description is different. Not different, I think I have used the same description for all videos. Let me see.
Hello friends, good morning.
Okay, so here topic interface instructor is this. In this video we learn about interfaces. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about interfaces. Oh, it is not picked. Let me run it again and let's see. This one, it is already there. Values are 12. Let me run multiple times. Actually, it is picking the first one. Am I looking wrong? Looking something wrong. Okay, here we come. Interface. Topic is interface in Java. In this video, learn about the interfaces. Visualize interface using rent agreement, right? So interface in Java, we will visualize interface. Okay, cool. So this description we got it here in the debug mode, right? So yeah, it is loading all the videos with different description and everything. All right, and in console we can see it is also printing. So let me show super keyword, this default constructors, everything is there, right? And then in the end, when iteration is completed, we are having this phase schedule completed. So counter, I had actually used a counter to see how many times this loop is going. So 15 times it come, right? So 15 videos are public. If it 15 or 25 or 15. So 15 videos are public. We can also count them. Not this one. Some of these are private actually. Let's go to the channel only. We can count by 1 2 3 something like that.